Node's full-stack automation tutorial pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume full-stack tutorials are expensive just for theory. The surprising truth is that pricing reflects hands-on automation projects, back-end and front-end integration, and practical deployment guidance. Entry-level tutorials cover basic automation scripts, CRUD operations, simple API integrations, and back-end scripting. Ideal for developers starting with nodes and looking to automate small-scale tasks. Mid-tier tutorials include full CRUD apps, automated API workflows, user authentication automation, and integration with front-end frameworks like React or Vue. Perfect for developers seeking real-world full-stack automation skills. Premium tutorials offer end-to-end automated applications, site setups, cloud deployment automation, and dedicated support. These are designed for professionals building production-ready applications with advanced automation. Most people get this wrong by comparing only price. True value lies in practical experience, time saved with automation, and readiness to build scalable applications. In conclusion, Node full-stack automation tutorial pricing reflects project complexity, integration depth, and hands-on support. Choosing the right tutorial equips you to automate full-stack workflows efficiently and professionally.